In the jagged northern mountains, Elder the silver-furred alpha led a tough wolf pack through brutal winters. Young pup Spark, full of fire and curiosity, often ignored warnings to stay close. During a ferocious blizzard, winds howling fiercely, snow blinding everything, Spark chased a snow hare far into unknown woods. The storm swallowed his tracks instantly. An avalanche roared down, burying Spark in a deep ravine. Clawing frantically, he escaped the crushing snow, fur iced over, heart pounding. Night brought deadly cold and hunger. Worse, rival wolves, starved and savage, tracked his scent, eyes glowing in the whiteout. The scarred leader attacked, Spark dodged and bit back, drawing blood but getting nipped on his shoulder. He fled to a frozen river, rivals in pursuit. The ice cracked under their weight, two plunged into raging waters below. Spark leaped the gaps and escaped. Freezing and wounded, he dug a snow den for shelter. Stars peeked through, he followed the North Star as Elder taught. For days, he battled on, foraging scraps, evading dangers, paws nearly frostbitten. Finally, Elder's hell called him home. The pack welcomed the scarred survivor with joy. Elder proclaimed, "You've become a warrior." Spark's Odyssey became legend, proving courage conquers the wild's fury.